Welcome back to Ride Ready Reviews, your ultimate pit stop for the latest rides, real reviews, and revved-up automotive insights. If you love the roar of an engine and the thrill of a fresh design, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into something truly exciting, the all-new 2025 Fiat Nuova 127 Sports Coupe. A legendary name reborn for a new generation of drivers. The Fiat 127 was once a compact classic that dominated European streets in the 70s and 80s. Fast forward to 2025, and Fiat has done something bold, resurrecting the 127 in a sleek, sporty coupe form that's turning heads across the auto world. This isn't just a nostalgic revival, it's a fresh, modern take built for today's roads and tomorrow's drivers. At first glance, the 2025 Nuova 127 Sports Coupe strikes with a perfect blend of retro charm and futuristic lines. The compact body features sculpted curves, sharp LED lighting, and a low, aggressive stance that screams performance. Fiat has managed to maintain the original 127's friendly character while injecting it with a serious dose of modern attitude. The front fascia is bold, with a wide grille and signature Fiat badging that pops against the clean bodywork. Sporty alloy wheels, a sloped roofline, and a subtly flared rear complete the coupe's athletic silhouette. Step inside, and you're greeted by a minimalist, tech-forward cabin. A fully digital instrument cluster pairs with a wide infotainment display, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The flat-bottom steering wheel and bucket-style sport seats remind you that this coupe means business, even as it keeps things comfortable for everyday driving. Fiat has focused on quality materials, clean lines, and driver-centric ergonomics to keep the cockpit both stylish and functional. Under the hood, the Nuova 127 Sports Coupe doesn't disappoint. It's powered by a peppy turbocharged 1.5-liter engine, delivering around 150 horsepower. That might not sound monstrous, but paired with the coupe's lightweight body and sport-tuned suspension, it offers a spirited and agile ride. Fiat is also rumored to be working on an all-electric Abarth version, aimed at performance lovers who want an eco-friendly edge. Handling is tight, responsive, and playful, perfect for zipping through city streets or carving up winding backroads. Fiat's engineers have clearly focused on balance and driving feel, giving this coupe a sporty soul that stays true to its name. With an expected price tag starting under $25,000, the 2025 Fiat Nuova 127 Sports Coupe is shaping up to be one of the most exciting and accessible entries in the compact sports segment. It brings together heritage, style, and fun in a way few cars do today. That's it for today's look at the 2025 Fiat Nuova 127 Sports Coupe. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss an update from Ride Ready Reviews, where the road begins and the ride never ends.